Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Jack.
And I'm on.
And we're back today with the mukbang. We're about to go get our food now. We're going to Hawker's and they have Asian street cuisine. And I've been there maybe like 5 times and it's good. Simone, have you been there?
I've been there twice and I don't even remember what I ate.
Simone, we have a picky eater on our hands, okay?
I'm trying to be different.
We're trying something new for her. But I'm gonna try one thing I like and one thing I don't like. And she's gonna just say,
why would you try something you don't like? Why would you just try something you never had?
yeah, that's what well, yeah. I've only ate one thing from there, to be honest. So, look at these bikers. Look at these bikers.
What you eat, that pad thai stuff?
May God bless them. Yeah, chicken pad thai. Because they might get hit by cars.
They out here for real, too.
It really is a marathon. I'm excited, though. I'm not gonna lie. My stomach hurts. But we're gonna do this.
So just got the digestive problems.
We should. Yeah, let's save money. All right, we're here. We got our menu. What to get? What to get? Got a drink. I got the, what did I get? OG painkiller. Simone got Tiki Do You Love Me. Why don't you take the first sip? All right, let me see. She's so picky. Oh, it is? Okay, wasn't expecting that. My turn. I'm good too. Not that much alcohol. Yeah. I'm thirsty. Picture? Oh, now we're recording. Alright guys, we got our food.
Welcome back to our channel. So we got the food.
Simone's already dug in.
I'm so hungry.
Just want to tell me what you got.
Alright, so I just got, okay.
Really good.
I played it safe. I got some chicken lo mein noodles. And then I got some honey sriracha wings. I put the sauce on. I don't know why I didn't put the sauce on. And then I got some chicken egg rolls.
I might try one.
You can definitely try one.
Thank you.
Okay.
My turn. All right, so for dessert, I got.
All right, we're back.
All right, y'all. Sorry about that. Anyway, donuts for dessert.
Oh, it's actually kind of perfect kind of now.
It is, no lie. Some chopsticks, napkins. I got pad thai and some tacos. Oh, where my tea at? Did I leave my tea in the car?
I don't know what you did with that tea.
Oh, I left my tea in the. Go get it. Okay, hold on. Did I leave my tea in? Oh no, my tea over there.
Be right back. Here she go. All right, I don't know how to eat with it. I'm so hungry, y'all. My brain messed up. I don't know how to use chopsticks. I got some water in the freezer.
I got the same. You took a shot.
Can you put that on the camera? This. What is this?
This is my. It's on the camera. It's on my Thai tea. It's good. It's tea.
Okay. I'm gonna take a little sip of this room.
It's good. It's like sweet. Okay, let me show you. My pad thai. Maybe I should put on a plate.
Yeah.
It's a little packed in there.
Why they put peanuts in it?
I don't know, but I love the peanut. That's my favorite part. And then I got some tacos. Let me see. This looks a little different. But, okay.
We got that purple onion in it.
Maybe I should try that first.
You want to try honey sriracha wing?
No. I'm gonna dig in. This is raw vegetables here.
I'm gonna eat my chicken wing. My shit's spicy and on point.
It tastes like that, but taco.
That is actually really good.
How about that?
This it, Jack. This it right here. This it, for real. For real, I don't know if I'm hungry. But
Thank you.
go ahead and get you one of them. This is that chicken egg roll. Let me show you all them ingredients right there. Okay?
I don't really look good.
Doesn't matter. It tastes good. And
Hit a cinnamon.
hit us something. Because it's good.
How do people do this?
That's spicy.
I can't even talk till I'm eating.
Real mukbangers down on top. They eat
Okay.
egg.
Let me drink some.
No, for real. That's all I do.
This is hard. I commend the mukbangers because I can't talk.
Mukbangers. Comment down below if you say mukbang. Because all my life I've been saying mukbang. Now everybody talking it's mukbang. How y'all gonna say? How is it spelled?
What did I just say? Mukbangers?
You said mukbang.
I switched it up.
Yeah, see y'all. This is good.
Mine is good too, but
Which is what? Spicy?
I feel like I need to be talking.
Okay, so I went to work today, y'all, and it was Monday. That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm off on Mondays, but I work on Saturdays, so it doesn't really.
Oh hell no! Hell no! Okay, so
I wanted to ask Simone, what has she learned since her first, since posting the 2 videos that we posted on our channel? What has she learned? And
what have I learned? I learned who that and who ain't that for me. Yes, I just playing. Yeah, the chicken wing good. It's spicy, Jack. Go ahead and try one. For real.
okay, slow down.
For real.
So much
I'm gonna tell you what I learned.
I forgot.
They good.
Got too much going on. I still haven't finished my spring roll. Relax.
It's because I'm sleepy and I'm hungry. We're only 5 minutes in. All right.
I'm full.
It's okay.
You gonna tell me what you learned?
I learned that you gotta really be out here for people to support YouTube. No, honestly, I just really want to do YouTube. Like, of course I want views, but everybody's like, you gotta get those views, you gotta do this. We're really just doing it just to do it. Like,
It's a hobby, it's fun. I think that ain't gonna get no views, but why you doing that?
right.
This not for
Right,
you
you need
then.
to do
This
it.
not to cater to you then.
And for
You don't have to watch it.
the hating hoes talking about we need to put this on. Never mind. I ain't even gonna say that. Knowing Jackie, she gonna cut that out.
Ain't no edit.
Okay. Nah, we're just doing this for the love of it, man. And that's what I learned. I gotta keep doing. What the hell you learn?
I operate off of fear. I don't like to do stuff because I'm scared what people don't think or people judging me.
That's what you do.
That's why I don't post on social media. Like I just don't like. I just be like, I'd rather watch. But now that I've done it, it gave me more courage. Like, who cares what nobody thinks? Be yourself. Like literally. So that's one thing I learned. I'm glad I actually like put stuff out there.
put myself out there looking crazy or however I look and not worried about what people think.
For real. That's why she on the team. Damn it. Positive. Always been that. Okay? So when she get a little judgmental, she's a Cancer.
So I'm not judging, man.
That's another day for another vlog.
Girl. I didn't do this, guys. This is hard.
I like it.
No, this is what you watch is mukbang.
All day.
I don't.
Like, I get bored, get on the popular page, scrolling at the mukbangs.
See, that's the thing. They don't even come on my popular page. Don't watch that.
It's kind of
It's chicken patch, huh? Man.
Nah, baby, you lost me with that one. Ernest's supposed to be coming, but I don't know where he at.
You can take that too.
This nigga here. I'm done.
Anyway, y'all, so I watched the Ted Bundy movie, the one with Zac Efron.
I don't like stuff like that, y'all.
It was good, but they didn't focus on his crimes. Like,
She wanna know about the killing, the slicing.
They kind of glorified him because he was handsome. So Zac Efron, he's handsome. I didn't really care for that part, but it was really more so like a love story. Like he confessed to his lover at the end. They didn't focus on the innocent women that were murdered. It was good. I'm gonna watch the documentary though. That's the one I want to watch. The real deal.
I'm getting full. I've been watching a show called The Boys. It's good. It's on Amazon. Jackie, you should watch it. For real. It's about superheroes, but they bad people.
I don't have Amazon to watch. I don't.
Get it. Okay?
I got Hulu.
Did you ever watch Euphoria?
I watched the first episode. Second.
I knew you was
first
gonna
and
like
second.
it.
Bit much for me. Like, I don't know about all that.
I already knew that you was gonna feel that way about it. Like, oh, what the hell is this?
It was a lot of druggy. Like, I don't know. I like to watch stuff like that, but it just wasn't capturing me. I'm gonna give it another chance, maybe.
It's good.
Game of Thrones. I know it's over.
Bring it
I
back.
haven't watched it.
We need it.
Get past the first 1 or 2 episodes of the first season.
Little known fact, we were supposed to start YouTube all the way back in Game of Thrones.
Oh, where?
We were supposed to.
And we was gonna recap it or something.
Mm-hmm.
We can still do it. It's still popular. People watch it. It sucks that it ended the way it ended. Like,
So trash. These wings are fucking spicy.
watch your mouth.
You're right. You don't have to eat
That just
that.
kind of burped up. Oh, that was bad.
You don't have to eat that, baby girl. Okay. What else have I been watching? Honestly, all I watch is The Office.
What is your favorite YouTube channel? I'll tell you the ones I watch. I watch The Rush Fam, Cleaning Clarence every now and then, Keisha Kaylee, Amber Martin. I love Amber Martin. She don't post that much, but I love her. I watch a lot of people. I ain't gonna lie. But those are the top 4. That ain't 4. Top 4.
Oh God, I was hungry. I like this girl named Kira Omonique. Shout out to her. She do a lot of vlogs and get ready with me.
I don't like to get ready with me.
Not too many of them, but she do enough.
I don't wear makeup and stuff, so I don't need to cleanse my face. You see this?
We're about to start.
I don't need to have a skin routine.
I don't want to do makeup for a minute. I just don't know where to start.
I feel like our next video, you got something in mind for the makeup thing. Simone. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. I couldn't get it out. Damn, them noodles was on point.
Simone's just about finished.
And you lost me at that.
I'm just getting started. I don't know where we're gonna go from here.
Oh God, it's so good. I'm just hungry, Jackie. I didn't eat.
Nobody told you not to eat.
You did.
Guys, try this tea. Okay? If you don't want to eat none of this, if all this look gross,
Try this tea.
no. Try tea. It look weird, like orange. Like, is it can't? No, it's sweet. It's good. If you like sweet tea, good options. And y'all, we went to Hawkers. I don't know if you didn't know. Off Riverside.
We didn't say that yet.
You said, well, we built at Hawkers, but
You know the food good with McDaniels.
I'm glad you like it, because this one here, it was hard to pick a restaurant.
I just gotta be hungry.
Well, I'm glad you are. You're sriracha.
Jackie, try one. It's
Too
spicy.
much, I can't. I'm not playing, I got too much food.
You gonna eat it tomorrow?
It's cold. No, Simone.
Isn't it spicy though?
No, this is spicier.
Oh hell no. Oh
I'm gonna
hell
put this over
no. I don't really follow too many. Like, I watch YouTube. I like Trey Rush fam.
You like Trey Rush fam? It's Rush fam. You like Trey Rush, the daddy of it.
Daddy, what's up? Yeah.
It's a married man.
Don't get me started with them, cause I can start all day.
They're an interracial couple with children. I really like it.
I do too. Like
They're from Canada.
Yeah, they got some money though. They don't know how to act. But I do like their channel. The kids.
They had a new video today. We watched it. I watched it.
Did they release a new intro?
Mm-hmm. I like it.
See it. Shout out to them. I don't want to start now. Okay.
Simone and I want to do. We want a better intro. I made the intro. It's amateur. We want something else. So, if you
I
guys
think
know
we should do an
anybody?
intro with pictures of us. She's like, we don't have the name.
Well, no, it's not. We don't. And who making that? That's hard. I just feel like it would be difficult.
Anything you set your mind to, you can do. Don't you get that? I'm gonna let y'all get a little bit of this though. Okay? That chicken wing drill. Okay? That's what the mukbangers do. Okay?
Well, they still.
Long her damn arm is. Okay? You can make it?
Oh.
My day was a little long. I work at a bank.
We work at the same. Me and Simone work at the same place.
That's how we so connected, plugged in. Damn it. But good God, I need a vacation. Jesus.
Next year.
We're thinking about New Orleans. What about out of town vlogs? Comment down below if you know some hot New Orleans spots to hit. Okay? Why are you looking like that?
I've been to New Orleans.
Oh, excuse me.
I know some hot spots to hit. I got it written in my phone.
Okay.
Alright, y'all, my camera died.
I cut it off.
Guys, we're gonna end it here. Okay, it wasn't much content, but I hope you enjoy. I still got a lot left to eat. I think I'm gonna take this for work to lunch, to work tomorrow. I ate my tacos. Simone, I don't know about that chicken. Got the donut.
Them donut holes is good.
Let me try one.
Please, because you just been negative Nancy the whole vlog. Okay.
This what y'all want to see?
I don't think they seen enough. All right, guys, this has been.
This is like a little cake from the.
Yeah, it tastes like something. All right, end out the vlog.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Jack.
And I'm Mom. And
Jack and
if you
Mone.
haven't already, If we haven't said it before, subscribe, comment down below.
Like, hit the thumbs up.
Please.
Like the video. Support us, man. We working.